Gently. No, that's not what I mean. Firmly? No, that comes later. Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about the Wingmam motto, always leave them wanting more, and why that's so important. Yeah, stay tuned. Okay, why do you want to always leave them wanting more? Well, because mystery is attractive. As human beings, we are naturally curious and we want to discover and learn about our potential partner or our love interest. And if we just lay out all our cards right away, then there's going to be little to discover later on and little to look forward to. So my motto always is, always leave them wanting more. So no matter how much you love spending time with this person, you need to cut it off before you get tired of each other. And if you're not sure, cut it off early so that the other person will want to be with you again, will want to spend time with you, will crave more of your attention and your affections. So yes, it's very exciting at the beginning, and very often two people will want to spend all their time together, but you really got to hold in the reins, not just because of the way attraction works. Don't blame me, this is just biology. Take it up with your creator. I'm not the one who made our brain. This is just me decoding it for you so that you can get further in a relationship. And yes, sometimes two people will meet and they both express the same desire to want to spend all their time together. What happens is one or the other of them will very often have had enough. Like you can get tired of the other person's company, even if you really, really like them, if you just spent too much time together. So you're much better off to build up slowly, or slowlier than you probably think, to get to that point where you're gradually spending more and more time together. What's the rule of thumb? Well, you know what? It actually depends on every situation. It's quite different. But initially, if you know this person from your social circles, actually even if you don't, seeing them once or twice a week is enough. Eventually build up to a few more times a week. Eventually build up to seeing them for a few hours on the weekend, not every day. And don't text every day. Always leave them wanting more. If you text every single day, then it starts to become boring. So you want to leave a little bit of mystery and curiosity and allowing for each other to discover things rather than trying to get everything out right away. If this is the right person for you, you will have the rest of your life to discover these things, and just don't throw all your cards on the table. And this is not about playing head games. This is about controlling yourself and your emotions and having a full life and having other distractions so that you're not just all about this one person. You can't make the other person your everything, because that's a really heavy thing to put on somebody. You know, they can't be your everything. They shouldn't be your everything. You should have a life outside of your partner. And that's why I chose this t-shirt. Let's explore, because you want to explore each other, your personalities, your likes and dislikes, your quirks, your flaws. You want to get to know each other and make that last, because you've got a whole life potentially together, and you don't want to like get bored right out of the gate, because what usually happens is disappointment. So my question for you today is, what's the shortest date you've ever gone on? And what's the longest date you've ever gone on? And how did that work out? Write it in the comments below. And as well, if you want to ask me questions, you can ask me anonymously on my Ask Me Anything forum for free. I do that a couple times a month and help you out with all that stuff over there. And finally, last thing is, thanks for the donations. So this t-shirt is dedicated to those guys.